Well guys, winter's almost here. I gotta cover the garlic here with some straw. We just planted yesterday and get it all ready so it'll come up next spring. Sure is nice having a little bit of warmth in the hands so it doesn't get cold. These will be great for when we go skidooing this winter and just shoveling outside and clearing snow and being outside in the elements. It does get down to -40 here in Alberta, so it's nice to have. Let you guys know later on this year what I think of them. They got a few different settings. I must open this pail. So one thing I did notice right off the hop with these guys is the whole outside is heated, but the palm of the hand is not. So just remember that when you are checking them out. We'll drop a link in the description below so you guys can pick some up if you'd like for a Christmas gift or someone you know that does a lot of stuff outside in the winter. Yeah, so we got our strawberries covered and the garlic covered. So one more thing knocked off the list of things to do. Let us know how you guys are making out with your gardens this year. Oh, look at that sunset. When I saw you in the light. Ooh, it gets warm quick. Today we are going to do first impressions on our battery heated gloves from SabotHeat. Show you the guys the inside. This is where the battery goes, and it's just a lithium battery. You plug it into the wall charger, put it in, zip it back up. Another thing is we like to do a lot of backcountry stuff like skidooing and stuff like that, so it's kind of inconvenience not being able to plug it into our power bank or portable power bank, which would be nice, but I mean they do have a pretty long life. We haven't really tested them how long they last and stay charged for, but I'm thinking probably get about 3 hours out of them. We'll see. They are splash proof, so any water that gets on them, they will shed the water, but if you submerge your hand, of course, it's going to be soaked. The sizing chart is true, so when you measure your palm of your hand and the length of your fingers, we did that before we got them sent to us, and they fit perfect. So the sizing chart is true. I would definitely use it to measure your hands. We got these sent to us from SabotHeat, free of charge. We were asked to do a review on them, so we're going to give you our first impressions, and maybe later in the year when we get some good hardy cold weather of Alberta weather, we can put them to the test, skidooing and shoveling snow and being out in the elements, and we'll give you a review closer to Christmas on what we think of them. But this is our first impressions. They are made out of goat leather. They do have touch, so you can touch your phone and scroll. So we'll show you how the touch screen works. You can click on an app and scroll. It is a little sensitive, like sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but for the most part works pretty good. If you're out in the backcountry and you had to answer a call or take a picture, it would probably work well for that, but I wouldn't be trying to type or anything like that with it. Definitely could use a little bit of improvement. It's only on the flat part of your finger. I would like to see it more on the tip. They do have a nice Velcro strap so you can keep them nice and tight so snow doesn't go down in there, and they do have a pull string so keep all that unwanted snow out of your wrist. They are comfortable. They do feel warm, so I'm excited to try them out. So there's 4 settings: low, that's high, medium, another medium, and low. So they do come with a 3000 milliamp lithium battery. We've just put lithium in our trailer and we love it. It lasts a long time. You get longevity out of it, anywhere between 5 to 10 years, so batteries are really good.
Works great for those Northern Lights viewing.
Summer's over, but you're keeping it hot. I stay right next to you like it's my favorite spot. Keep holding you close like you're all that I got as these autumn leaves fall down. Winter's coming, but don't be afraid. And don't you know we got our own heat wave? We'll be steamy like a sauna, yeah, we'll be okay as the snow lands on the ground. If we stay inside, we'll be safe in this bed, and we'll forget the world like it just don't exist. And we'll set the temperature to whatever we like. I'm not worried about the weather. You and me will be together. Seasons change, so whatever. No, I'm not worried about the weather. And honestly, it's
Look at all those holes in the woodpeckers.
Heaven only knows the dust is in my arms. So hold me till the
Alright, so we got hamburger from a local farmer that we know. The onions are from our garden. The cabbage is from the garden. The tomato sauce on the cabbage rolls is all fresh made from the tomatoes and onions and stuff from our garden as well. So we are doing some cabbage rolls for Thanksgiving
this is the beginning.
with the fruits of our labor.
This is the beginning.
Okay, see how I'm doing that?
Yep.
I just want you to smear the tomato sauce all the way within it, okay?
Such a good job.
Yep.
It's peeling your sweet potatoes.
Yep. See? We can start right here.
The last of the leaves are falling. What's your idea?
This is the beginning.
What is that?
This is the beginning.